Okay, this is the daily review for Tuesday, September the 13th. Early on in today's trading session, we made a pivot high just after 2:30 a.m. At one of our areas. Market moved down pretty significant fashion and made a bottom at about 4:15. At that point, we have a trend breaking out to the downside with lower lows, progressively lower lows and lower highs. We came up to an area of interest at 36.30, and we're looking for an entry at that area, since it is an area of interest, of resistance, and it also is an area where we would expect from this pivot to down to this pivot move to retrace to, and just about a 61.8% retracement. We took an entry here once we got a confirmation of a reversal, and the market started to pause at that point shortly after we got in. We did manage to get a little bit of a profit out of this move, but what we were looking for is a move back down to the next support level. We started to see momentum start to dry up by a rise in the momentum indicator. So again, we did manage to get some profits out of this, but did not see and did not measure the thrust that we were expecting for further continuation to the downside. We exited there. Market came back up, went through the area of interest, traded above it, which is what we like to see. Whenever we have an area of resistance, we need to see trading and significant trading above it, so that we can then identify this area of interest as support and look for entries above it. The market did make its way up. It came back to the area in which we could participate in, having the stop on the other side of support. We also had an area here that we expected this pivot move to the upside to retrace to. We placed our entry after a reversal pattern, and we captured some profits up here to resistance. We had quite a bit of resistance up here, which the market throughout the trading session had a lot of trouble with. So we hit our target. The market went through just a little bit and slammed right back to support. At this point, we started to think that, well, we might be going into a trading range, but we could benefit from that by placing our buy orders just above support, as long as we maintained and did not penetrate through the support area. Did get a reversal pattern here and did get long, with the idea of getting a target within this range, which was fairly decent, and there was enough amplitude here that we could capture a little bit of a profit. After that point, we didn't really have much in terms of trading activity. The market continued to have a lot of trouble at this area of resistance, went through it a little bit, nearly got long up here, but it just did not see the momentum that could carry us through to the next level. Momentum started to drift off at this point. So nearly got filled up here, did not, and the market fell backwards. And at that point, we ended the trading day at about 11:30 or so. We never trade into the afternoon hours on the euro, and we basically ended up at resistance at this area of interest throughout the day. So that's it for today. The profits for the day were approximately 60 points, and that's trading one contract. We had 3 trades, so the profit of the day would be 750 less the commission on 3 contracts. Not so eventful today, but considering the trading action that we've had for the last several trading sessions over the last week and a half or so, it was to be expected at some point that we would see some day of consolidation. We invite you to stop by the trading room. You can join us free for a day and see how we trade. And if you're truly interested in learning how to day trade the euro market, I believe that there are things in there that you could see and benefit from. The idea behind the room is to give you just a bird's eye view of watching someone trade as they execute their trades. A seasoned trader who's been working at it most of his adult life. So you're invited to join us. Go to the website that's going to flash next, and we look forward to seeing you.